Hello viewers, welcome back again to our channel Investwink Advisors. Today's video is going to be immensely useful for you in your mutual fund investments. The information and simple methodology that we are going to share will be valuable for all those who do not want to participate in markets through direct trading. In this video, we will share how one can passively invest in mutual funds and beat the mutual fund managers in their own game. So watch the video till the end. This video is for all those individuals who have already invested in mutual funds and who are planning to invest. It is for those salaried professionals who are busy with their work life, for businessmen who cannot manage multiple things, for households who have extra time to invest, for the young millennial investors who want to learn market mechanism. It's also for those who do not want to risk their hard-earned savings, and finally for all who want to earn additional source of income. Let's start with understanding what are mutual funds. Mutual fund is a trust that collects money from a number of investors who share a common investment objective. It then invests the money in different market instruments. Each investor owns units, which represent a portion of the holdings of the fund. The income or gains generated from this collective investment is distributed proportionately among the investors, after deducting certain expenses by calculating the scheme's net asset value or NAV. Watch the clip to know different mutual fund offerings.
ये देख सिर्फ एक टैप और गजल पॉप रोमांटिक जैसा मूड वैसा म्यूजिक।
अरे वाह, दिखा दिखा, इतने सारे ऑप्शंस। सही है यार।
है ना?
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ये म्यूजिक की तरह म्यूचुअल फंड में भी ऑप्शंस होने चाहिए नहीं? पर यहाँ तो सारे फंड्स इक्विटी हैं।
क्या बात कर रहा है?
सही बोल रहा हूँ, सिर्फ नाम अलग अलग है पर सारे शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं।
बिल्कुल नहीं। म्यूचुअल फंड सिर्फ शेयर मार्केट में नहीं, गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स, कंपनी बॉन्ड्स, मनी मार्केट वगैरह में भी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, जो कि शेयर मार्केट से कम रिस्की हैं।
इतनी अलग अलग स्कीम्स होती हैं। सही है यार।
म्यूचुअल फंड में शेयर मार्केट के अलावा भी ऑप्शंस हैं और ये बात बिल्कुल सही है।
When retail investors want to invest in mutual funds, there are two ways: systematic investment plan and one-time investment. The strategy that we will discuss today is combination of both one-time investment and systematic investment plan. And to that applies our rule: invest 5x of SIP amount in one shot when there is 10% fall in your holdings. Let's understand in details. First, mark the highest point from where the market started falling. Once the market falls 10%, invest your 5x of the SIP amount in one shot. If the market bounces back from here, well and fine. However, if it further falls down, wait for the 10% fall. Once you see the market has fallen further 10% from these levels, invest another 5x of your SIP amount in one shot. Then wait patiently for the markets to recover. If the markets recover and is above your case 1, then exit these 5x amount what you would have invested here. You would have by now received 10% profit. Wait further. If it comes down, invest another 5x of your SIP amount in one shot. Else, if it further recovers, exit all the investment what you would have done on the case 1 when the market is above the previous high. I hope you have understood the strategy. This way you gain 10% extra with every fall and a rise back at the same level. Let me tell you about our journey. We started learning about mutual funds in detail and finally invested through SIPs in August 2016. In just few weeks, our holdings was down with 10%. We applied our rule, invested 5x of SIP in one shot. Back then, we were investing 10k as SIP in mutual funds monthly. In next 4 months, we earned 10%. That is 5k on our 50k one shot investment. We invested here and exited here with 10% gains. Meanwhile, our SIP of 10k each month was in continuation. Again, in 2018, two times we applied same rule when our investments came down 10% in a year. Then further again in 2019, we got this opportunity. Finally comes the year 2020, when markets has crashed in March month. The reason this time was COVID. By now our monthly SIP was 40k per month. We really had to build courage and grit to not just hold the existing investment in mutual funds, but also apply our strategy of invest 5x of SIP amount in one shot when there is 10% fall. Because until then, we only heard about big falls in the past, like the one of Lehman Brothers crisis in 2008, but never experienced it. And this COVID crisis was one such first experiences in our trading and investment career. While all this was happening for 2 weeks, our feeling was somewhat similar to the scene of most popular web series Scam 1992. Watch the clip.
I want only वैल्यू इन्वेस्टिंग, सिर्फ वैल्यू इन्वेस्टिंग। यार अच्छी सी कंपनी में अच्छे से शेयर में बड़ा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे एंड जस्ट वेट फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म, फोकस ऑन द बिग ड्रीम एंड मेक मिलियंस, मे बी बिलियंस, मे बी ट्रिलियंस।
Post the COVID fall, the market started showing some strength. We were hopeful of recovery in a year or two. But to our surprise, the market was back to its previous high in just a matter of 6 months. And it's now standing tall like a stalwart with all-time high. We are prepared to invest 5x of SIP amount as one-time investment when market or Nifty falls to 13,800 levels as per our strategy. If you still need a reason, then watch this clip.
शानदार स्ट्रोक, पीछे भागना दूसरा है ना। अरे यार लक्ष्मण दुविधा में इसी बीच वर्मा जी की एंट्री अपना कीमती वक्त निकाल के।
वो क्यों लटका है? विकेट गई क्या अपनी?
मेरी विकेट गई।
मतलब
यार घाटा कर दिया तूने।
मैंने?
और नहीं तो क्या, तूने ही कहा था म्यूचुअल फंड सही है, म्यूचुअल फंड सही है।
तो सही तो कहा था।
6 महीने हो गए इन्वेस्ट किए, पैसे बढ़े तो नहीं, उल्टा नुकसान हो गया थोड़ा।
भाई पेशेंस। म्यूचुअल फंड ना इस मैच की तरह है, कभी रन रेट ऊपर, कभी थोड़ा सा नीचे।
शानदार शॉट सीधे वर्मा जी के गैलरी।
म्यूचुअल फंड्स की पिच पर जितना टाइम टिका रहेगा, फायदा होने के चांसेस उतने बढ़ेंगे।
सही है।
म्यूचुअल फंड्स में पेशेंस रखना सही।
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
I wish you all maximize your returns and beat mutual fund performance with our Invest 5x SIP amount on 10% fall strategy. The reason why we are confident is because we have backtested it on Nifty with 25 years long data, and also we believe in India's growth story. A disclaimer here, you should apply this strategy only in large and mid-cap fund schemes of mutual funds or index funds in ETFs. Let's start mutual fund investments. If you still do not have Demat account, you can open it with ICICI Direct and Upstocks. The account opening link is given in the description. If you would like to learn more about mutual funds, I have given website link of mutual funds Sahi Hai. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. If you are able to get any learning out of it, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, see you again.